all, Game Cho. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jahnvi and I am making video on travel, lifestyle, home decor and DIY projects. Today's video is all about DIY project that you could make with air dry clay. So let's continue the video. So for this project, you will need some air dry clay, and the one that I have is just from JOVI Air Dry Clay, which I purchased from Amazon. This hanging is made up of 5 half circle in varying size with different features like cutouts. So here I am drawing it out as a guide for when I created all my different pieces. First I am starting off with the ball of clay and rolling out with the rolling pin, and actually this is a very tiny in size, so I just going to use a glass jar to create a circle shape. Since we need a 5 half circle, 3 circles are going to be perfect for all the pieces. I made a 1 circle larger and the 2 of the circles are the same sizes, and once these are all cut out, I am going to take a roller and slice each one in half. Now carefully lift each pieces and assembling into a design. And for the pieces which cut out, I am going to use X-ACTO knife to cut out even smaller half circle within a piece. And the same for the biggest piece at the top to create a smaller circle. And then for the next step, I am going to place all the pieces on a butter paper. Instead of butter paper, you can also use a parchment paper. Now with the water and clay mixture, I am going to brush it on each individual pieces. This mixture will help to smooth it out. Make sure you will take a time for this step and do it carefully. Now I am making a small holes using a toothpick. You can use any pointy tool or chopstick pen for making a holes. Once you are happy with all the pieces, you can go ahead and let them dry for 24 hours. After it dry, we can choose to leave it like this for natural finish, or we can go ahead and paint them. Here I am going to use the acrylic color to create a dark terracotta color, and you can really get creative with this and make the wall hanging in any color that you would like. After I did a first coating, the color was looking too dark, so I am added a little bit orange so that I can add a bit warmth back into this color. Now I painted all the edges with the golden color because it would just give a nice finished look on edges. For the bottom pieces, I am going to create a 3 tassels with the macrame. Here you can see that I am taking a 10 cm macrame cord and splitting a 3 strands apart. And then I'm also going to take a piece of thread and do the same exact thing to split a 3 strands apart. So I want tassels to be quite thin, so I'm going to take a 2 of the macrame strands and fold them in half, and then at the top I'm going to take a piece of thread and tie it tightly. Now I am going to create a top of the tassels. To do this, I am taking a third piece of the macrame cord and I am going to split in half and wrap it around a couple of times and tie it tightly. Now from one of the end, I am going to pull it straight down so that it's actually become a part of tassel. For the rest of the pieces, I am just going to attach them with a piece of thread and knotting the back all together. You can also use a wire here if you like. Once you have attached together, your wall hanging is completely ready. This is such an easy project that you can customize with any color palette or any shape you like, and you can also design your own wall hanging. I hope that you guys like this project as much as I like creating it.